Hey everybody, this is Ray from the Great Falls Public Library, and this is Toddler Time. It's an early literacy program for babies and toddlers birth to 2.5. So let's get started. Can you clap your hands like this? We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends at Toddler Time, we clap and sing hello. Can you wave? We wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. With our friends at Toddler Time, we wave and sing hello. Good job. And now the funnest part, we're going to stomp our feet. Here we go. We stomp and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. With our friends at Toddler Time, we stomp and sing hello. Good job, guys. All right, we are going to wake up our hands. Can you give your hands a shake? Shake, 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 shake. Here we go. Wake up hands, wake up hands, wake up hands and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up hands, wake up hands, wake up and wiggle in the morning. Good job. All right, can you wake up your feet? Can you wiggle your toes? Wake up feet, wake up feet, wake up feet and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up feet, wake up feet, wake up and wiggle in the morning. Good job. All right, can you wake up your ears? Where are your ears? Here we go. Wake up ears, wake up ears, wake up ears and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up ears, wake up ears, wake up and wiggle in the morning. All right, and now we're gonna wake up our hair. Can you wake up your hair? Here we go. Wake up hair, wake up hair, wake up hair and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up hair. Wake up hair, wake up and wiggle in the morning. Good job. All right. So, do you know if you're happy and you know it? All right. So, we're going to start by clapping our hands. And I know you guys know how to do this because we just practiced it. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Good job. Do you know what else we just practiced? Stomping our feet. Let's do that again. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Good job. Hey, didn't we just wiggle our ears? Let's do that again. If you're happy and you know it, wiggle your ears. If you're happy and you know it, wiggle your ears. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, wiggle your ears. Good job, guys. All right, I want to share this very silly story with you. It's called Never Feed a Yeti Spaghetti. Never feed a Yeti spaghetti. Why shouldn't we feed the Yeti spaghetti? Let's read. Let's see if we find out why we shouldn't feed the Yeti spaghetti. Oh, what is this? What kind of animal is this? Never feed a llama a banana, right? That's such a silly meal. When you just have hooves to use, the fruit is hard to peel. So when you say this word, this fruit, do you say banana or do you say banana? Yeah, I think most of us in the United States say banana, but I think maybe in England they might say banana, and I think they might say that in Australia too. I wonder if that's where our author is from. Interesting. Never feed a cheetah a fajita. Ooh, pointy teeth. That snack will never last. Cheetahs gobble up their food because they are so fast. What animal is this? It's a chimp. Never feed a chimp some shrimp. They play with all their food. They throw their snacks at everyone because they are Very rude. Oh, throwing food, very rude. This one's upside down. Maybe they're hanging from a tree. Never feed a sloth some broth. It takes too long to heat. They're certain to be sleeping when you serve it up to eat. It's a whale. I think it's an orca. Never feed a whale some kale. That snack is much too small. Whales need giant portions or they won't feel full at all. Oh my goodness, that's the very end of the book. But we never found out why we're not supposed to feed the Yeti spaghetti. Oh, okay, maybe we can figure it out. Maybe we can figure it out together. Why don't you think we should feed the Yeti spaghetti? I wonder, because you see how the Yeti's fur is white? I wonder if we fed the Yeti spaghetti, if the tomato sauce would make the Yeti turn pink because the Yeti's a messy eater. Do you think that's a good reason not to feed a Yeti spaghetti? What are some other reasons not to feed a Yeti spaghetti? How about don't feed the Yeti the spaghetti? I want to eat that. I don't want to share the spaghetti with the Yeti. Maybe you can think of some other reasons not to feed the Yeti spaghetti. Thanks for listening. Oh, let's sing a goodbye song. Let's clap. We clap goodbye like this. We clap goodbye like this. With our friends at Toddler Time, we clap goodbye like this. Good job. Let's wave. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. With our friends at Toddler Time, we wave goodbye like this. And now, best part, let's stomp. We stomp goodbye like this. We stomp goodbye like this. With our friends at Toddler Time, we stomp goodbye like this. Good job, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.